Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some important question regarding the pharmacovigilance interview. Question number 1. What is the pharmacovigilance? So pharmacovigilance has been defined by the WHO, the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug related problem. Interviewer says, define the pharmacovigilance in your own words. So, the pharmacovigilance is meant to cover the collection of information on adverse drug reaction at pre or post marketing stage basically. The scientific evaluation of these ADR reports, adverse drug reaction report, and the regulatory decisions which may have to be taken following their analysis. Question number 2. What are minimum criteria required for a valid case? So, for a valid case, an identifiable patient is required, an identifiable report is also required, a suspect product is required, and an average drug event is required. Question number 3. What are the regulatory bodies in India, Japan, USA and UK? So in India, the regulatory body in India is a CDSCO. We all of know that Central Drugs Standard Control Organization is a CDSCO. It's a regulatory body in India. In Japan, MHLW. It is the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. So it's a regulatory body of the Japan. USA. US FDA is a regulatory body of USA. United States Food and Drug Administration. In UK, EMEA is a regulatory body. It is a European Medicines Agency. Question number 4. What are the difference between NDA and ANDA? So NDA is it means new drug application. When a sponsor of a new drug believes that enough evidence on the new drugs has been obtained to meet from the FDA. So which enough evidence? The evidence regarding the safety of the drug and efficacy of the drug. So when sponsor of new drug believe that the enough evidence regarding the safety of the drug and efficacy of the drug has been obtained, so he meet from the FDA. So finally the sponsor submit to the FDA a new drug application. So ANDA means the abbreviated new drug application. Abbreviated new drug application. It contains data that when the submitted to the FDA provide for the review and ultimately approval of the generic drug product. So ANDA is the abbreviated new drug application we can say. Question number 5. What are the phases of clinical trial? So basically the clinical trials are performed in a 4 phases. Phase 1 is a study assess the safety of the drug or device. So phase 1 is related from the safety of the drug or device. Phase 2 studies test the efficacy of the drug or device. So finally the efficacy is related from the phase 2. Phase 3 studies involves the randomized or blind testing is several hundred or several thousand patients. So the blind test or randomized testing are performed on 100 to the several thousand patients in a phase 3. Phase 4 is a pharmacovigilance, we can say, often called post-marketing drug surveillance. It is a trials are conducted after a drug or device has been approved for the consumer sale. So phase 4 is a pharmacovigilance phase. Question number 6. What do you mean by MedDRA? So full form of MedDRA is a medical dictionary for the regulatory activities. So what is the hierarchy of MedDRA? So first, what is the meaning of hierarchy? Hierarchy is a system in which people or the things are put at various level or ranks according to their importance. So hierarchy in a MedDRA is a system organ class, high SOC we can say in a short form, high level group term HLGT, high level term HLT, preferred term, lower level term. So these are the hierarchy in MedDRA. So abbreviates. SAE is the serious adverse event. ADE is the adverse drug event. ADR is a short form of adverse drug reaction. PSUR, periodic safety update report. ICSR, individual case safety report. So these are the abbreviates. I gave the interview in a TCS Mumbai in a 2013. So interviewer asked, what you know about the antibiotic? So I answered, an antibiotic is a type of antimicrobial substance active against the bacteria. They may either kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. Example, penicillin. So immediately again he asked, which type of the ring present in a penicillin? So beta-lactam ring and thiazolidine ring system are present in a penicillin. It is the ring beta-lactam ring, it is a beta-lactam ring, and it is the thiazolidine ring. Basically these two rings are joined to each other and one amino linked side chain are present. It will be joined from the beta-lactam ring. So two rings are present in a penicillin. One is a beta-lactam ring and thiazolidine ring. Second is a thiazolidine ring. Thank you. Thanks to all.